Welcome to another section, and this time we're talking about electromagnetic induction. So previously we said current can produce a magnetic field, but this time we want to look at something different. Does a magnetic field produce a current? So it's like the opposite of what we did last time. So one evidence is this that we are seeing here. We want to know if magnetic field can produce a current, or what we call EMF, electromagnetic force. So what you do is, these are permanent magnet, then this is a wire, and then this is a galvanometer. Now galvanometer is used to record small currents. So what you do is you move a wire at 90 degrees to the magnetic field, meaning you move it up, down, up, down. So now you realize that when you do that, this galvanometer will deflect. It means it will move from 0 and give a certain value. So when it does that, it means that there's a certain amount of EMF or current that is being produced. So that tells us that when it's possible that a magnetic field can produce a current. So the question is, how do we increase the induced EMF in a magnetic field? One is by moving the wire faster. So when you move the wire between the magnet here faster, it will increase the amount of EMF being produced. Number two, using a strong magnet. Number three, by increasing the length of the wire. Now, the same thing can be applied here in another concept. When you pay particular attention to this diagram, is here what we are trying to do is moving a magnet and then producing EMF. For example, when you move the magnet inside a coil of wire, this galvanometer will deflect this side, showing that there is an amount of EMF that is being produced. When you move it out, the galvanometer deflects the other side. So now this means that there's a certain amount of EMF again being induced. So this is a very important concept that you should understand. Again, the same thing that we did here can increase the amount of EMF being produced here. The same thing by moving the magnet faster. This time now, remember that previously we were moving the wire to produce EMF, but here we are using a magnet to produce EMF. So it's by moving the magnet faster. Previously you were saying it's by moving the wire faster, but this one is moving the magnet faster. Using a strong magnet, increasing the number of turns of the coil. That is the way we can increase EMF here. Remember, here we are talking about moving a magnet to produce EMF. Now the same concept can be applied when we are talking about AC generator.